Making money online 101. Similar to any method to earn money, the best method of making money online is to follow your passion. Find something you love to do, then find a way to utilize it for making money online. There are lots of sites with concepts for generating income online. Some are scams, but lots have good ideas. To start making money online, browse sites that offer ideas in the field you are interested in. Remember that making money online is still a job. You want a task that you like. Consider expenses when you have actually narrowed down your concepts. If you are on a budget, it will narrow down your ideas even more. For any programs that you have to buy into, discover other people who have worked in the program to see if it really makes them money. Some people make money online by selling programs that do not work that well. Ensure the costs associated with the program you are purchasing make good sense. If they do, and if you discover others who have been successful, you may be on the right track. You also require to consider your time commitment. If you are already working a complete time task, discover a way to make cash online that will not take up all of your spare time. Once you have actually identified how to prepare to make cash online, spend the time you need. Find a method to do what you love is the finest way to make money online. Make sure the cost included in the program you are purchasing makes sense. Once you have actually figured out how to prepare to make money online, spend the time you require. Finding a method to do what you love is the best method to make money online. You must do proper research within this, and I myself use Google, as Google has millions of pages of information, not all about what you want, but it covers all spans of things. Go into YouTube as well. They do videos that people make and show you how to do things. Now, if you want to go to the online business section, just put in make money from home, how to make money at home, work from home. Is money making at home possible? Ways to make money at home. How do I start to make money at home? All those sort of things. Put into the Google browser and they come up with all different answers. If you find a site you like, then put the name of the site into the browser and they'll tell you all about the site. Go through it. Look at everything. Look at their commission rates. Look at how long they've been going. Look at the advertising they put up for you, because most sites put in email advertising that you can use to advertise their site, because it's bringing them money in anyway. So look at all that, banners, etc. See what they deal with and what they hand out. On YouTube you have to put how to into YouTube, so how to earn money online, how to make it online, is how to make income the easy way, how to make money at home, all those sort of things you put into the how to bar and they come up with all these different videos. No problem whatsoever. You just look at them, study, look and study, then go back over them because you just run them through and through. So let's hope this gets you on the right track anyway. Go through the video again. It's very short, so you know, it's sort of 5 minutes and that's it, you're through it. But I do it when I think of it, so that none of my videos are very long. I have now, I believe it's 280 videos on YouTube. I have done them all about earning money online. There's a couple that aren't about earning money online, but they're like about a license or something else that you have to acquire here and there, or something that's happened within the world that isn't of interest. So I just pop one in now and then. So they're not all actually make money. So below my video there's a like button. Please click on that. It's just like that sort of thing, or like that. Click on that. It gives me a like. Up the top is a bell. Press the bell, and next to the bell there's all. Click on that and you'll get informed when I put another video up if you're interested. If you're not, then that's alright, just click the like button because that helps me. And subscribe, of course, if you can, because YouTube, which I use all the time, otherwise I wouldn't have so many videos on, would I? They need 1,000 likes, 1,000 joins or subscribes, and 4,000 hours of view time before they will let their videos come on to my YouTube channel. They make money out of them, so I don't know why it's so high, but that's what it's got to be. So every little like will help me, every little subscribe will help me, so please just click the buttons. Even if you don't want to, really, a click of the button would help me. So thank you for being here. Remember to do your searches. Also below my video you'll find links. Now these links are tools I use for doing videos and microphones and cameras, etc. They're all listed below this video. Also there's a lot of programs that I have joined that I've liked. I've put them down there as well, because everything will help me make a bit of commission here and there. So if you click on a link, you purchase the tool or you join the program, then I get a small commission. This is why they're all below my video, hoping somebody's going to just click on them and join or purchase, whichever. So all the best in your online ventures. Hope you succeed, and I hope you click the like button below and the bell up top and come back for more, or go straight to my channel. It's actually YouTube at Ian Jackson, all one word, 1366. So that's YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. Click on that, or copy and paste it into your browser and go to that page, scroll down the page and you'll find the videos, loads and loads of them. So thank you for being here. Hope you are successful and come back again soon. Bye bye for now.